Cattail.
daughter, daughter, day, day, dead, dead, death, death, decide, decide.
One day, a mother bought a fish for her daughter. Oh no, the fish is dead. Death is sad. They decide to bury it.
Deep, deep, delicious, delicious, design, design, desk, desk, dialogue, dialogue.
She sits at the desk. She takes a deep breath. She practices an English dialogue.
This cake is delicious. The design is pretty too.
Die, die, difficult, difficult, dinner, dinner, discuss, discuss, do, do.
After dinner, a cow died. It is a difficult time. They discuss what to do. They have to do something.
Doctor, doctor, dog, dog, doll, doll, door, door, double, double.
There are dogs in cages. There is a double door. The animal doctor gives the dog a doll.
Donut, donut, down, down, draw, draw, dream, dream, dress, dress.
This is a donut. The donut slides down. It wears a dress. It was all a dream. He draws the dream.
Drink, drink, drive, drive, corrupt, corrupt, drum, drum, dry, dry.
He gets into the drum. Sweat drops onto his cheeks. He dries his body. He drinks water. He drives home.
Duck, duck, during, during, ear, ear, early, early, earth, earth.
A girl covers her ears during the thunder. The earth is shaking. A duck swims early in the morning.
East, east, eat, eat, egg, egg, eight, eight, elephant, elephant.
Look at the elephant. It is 8 a.m. The sun is in the east. He eats eggs for breakfast.
11, 11. End, end. Energy, energy. Enough, enough. Enter, enter.
He enters the office. He has lots of energy. He has enough time. It is 11 p.m. This is the end of the work.
Evening. Evening. Every. Every. Example. Example. Exercise. Exercise. I.
Every evening, she does eye exercises. For example, she moves her eyes up, down, right, left.